Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a website chatbot with Tidio, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Tidio website at tidio.com. Click on the Get Started Free button. You will need to create an account to use Tidio. Choose to sign up using your email address or a social media account. Once you've created your account, log in to the Tidio dashboard. Here, you'll see an option to set up your chatbot. Click on the Chatbots tab in the left sidebar. Select the Create Your First Bot button. You will be presented with various templates. Choose a template that fits your business needs. After selecting a template, click on Use this template. You'll now enter the chatbot editor. Here, you can customize the bot's messages and responses. Click on a message to edit the text. Type in a friendly greeting that aligns with your brand voice. Next, configure the bot's responses based on user inputs. Use the Add a Response button to include different options. You can also set conditions for when certain responses should trigger. To personalize the experience, add user data collection fields. Click on the User Data option to gather information, like email and name. Once your chatbot responses are set, it's time to select where it appears. Navigate to the Appearance settings on the left sidebar. Choose the position on your website where you want the chatbot to appear. Customize the bot's appearance to match your website's design. Save your changes to ensure they are applied. Next, you need to integrate Tidio with your website. Click on the Integrate tab in the dashboard. Select your website platform from the available options. Follow the specific instructions provided for your chosen platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.